Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming essentials. Your phone is updated and you have a stable connection. Open your browser and set it to mobile view if needed. This helps layout. Next, register with a username and email. You can link Discord later for voice or community access. Once done, verify any email prompts so account features unlock. These steps prevent access errors and speed navigation, so you don't hit blocks when moving to server selection and game creation. You'll now configure permissions and pick a server. Allow microphone only if you plan to voice chat. Notifications are optional but helpful. Browse server listings and check ping and player count. Lower ping means less lag. When you pick a lobby, tap join and adjust role settings like imposter rate or map choice. If it's private, set a password and share it with friends. Make sure to test audio quickly so you can communicate effectively during rounds. You're ready to start play. Tap start and follow host instructions. Watch the connection icon and player list for drops. If you hit lag, move closer to Wi-Fi, switch bands, or toggle airplane mode to refresh networking. Should the site freeze, clear the browser cache and reload. If that fails, restart your phone. This clears temp network issues. One key troubleshooting tip. If audio fails, verify microphone permission in system settings and the browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.